I mean, I hear some people make $1 million a month. The guys made it to my new house. Bye-bye. It's time to go. Take you guys up to the gym. You saw it earlier today. And here it is now. Disassembled, man. Getting ready for this big move. Don't look too bad. It ain't even that many pieces, it don't look like. Oh, here come the baddies. Baddie twins, always together. Causing ruckus.
Two.
What?
Two.
Two? What, fool?
Two.
What?
Two.
You want to use it?
Yeah.
Here, just see I'm wearing the same thing. I'm going to wear the same thing for 3 days so y'all don't be clowning. It just got to prep for this boo. But yeah, it don't look as bad as I thought. I'm going to have to put the weights over there in bins. And man, they did a good job. Y'all want to see the rest of the house?
Yeah.
Okay. It's my son's room. Sonny's room right here. This house, I think, got 5 bedrooms. About 4 bathrooms. It's small to y'all house, I know. Compared to y'all house. My daughter room. I know this, it's only 4,000 square feet. I know y'all in 10,000. Washroom. It's a bathroom right here. You okay, baby? This is my office. Ooh, look at that. I got them bodybuilding trophies, boy. What that one say? First player overall. What this one say? First player, I think San Jose or something. Let's see. Something down there. That one overall. Got my monitors down there. This is the office. So what I'm doing now, YouTube, million subscriber plaque. Let's see. That's my plaque. Yeah, that's the million right there. Some of y'all might get one day. You know what I'm saying? Boxes. This is where the magic was made up in here. How they say. So they gonna come tomorrow, Sunday, and pack everything up. Then Monday is the official boo. So this is where all the clothes were, designer. Oh, they ain't nothing but designer shoes right there. I ain't in all them Jordans and stuff. Clothes. I gave away, as y'all see the videos, I gave away like 60% of my clothes. More shoes right here. Wifey, that's the, you know what I mean? Got that CCW form. They come tomorrow and get everything. What y'all doing, man? These kids, they those hyphy twins, don't stop, man. So yeah, they come tomorrow and wrap everything up, and so it's gonna be an easy move come Monday. 3-day preparation, man. We've been packing though for like, damn, that's dark. Can't see nothing on me. So we've been packing. Truthfully, we started getting rid of stuff like a month or 2 ago. I had got a big old waste management bin in front of the house, threw all the unnecessary stuff away, and it was full. So it would have been terrible waiting to the last minute. So that's my recommendation to people, especially, you know, we going from a big house to a bigger house. This house we in right here, 3,700 square feet, and we moving into a 4,000, which is huge for the Irvine area. We got a backyard, everything, but it took us 2 months to get in a house because it was so, you know, at the, I guess the time we living in, people selling their house and renting. So it was kind of hectic, man. So yeah, man, I'll be out there. It's about to be on the Crack It. Got new business ventures, Crack It also. It's gonna be less videos. Hopefully we get 2-3 videos a week. We diving head first, man, into our new venture, man. So, cause the internet is just not it. You know what I mean? You can say a word, you can put capital letters, you can say the wrong phrase, and you get shadow banned. And you know, fortunately for me, I just never popped off like I hear some people do on the internet. You know what I mean? I hear some people make $1 million a month. You know what I mean? I ain't never came close to that. So that's a blessing though for me. Cause transition and, you know, I never went from hot to, you know, I never just, to me in my eyes with the internet, it was just, I never was hot. Like I see some young guys now, they come each video 200, 300,000 views, and my channel never been like that, bro. And you know, it's a conspiracy theory to it, but I'm fine with it. But yeah, man, so luckily I'm an all-out hustler and just finding other ventures to go into, man. All right, y'all, talk to you in a minute.
The next day.
So with the guys, we're over here, man, day of the move, and everything is gone out the gym. You see it? Everything is gone. So we're gonna take a walk through. Let's see, the house is empty now. They got here at 9 and it's 12:30 now. Empty. Wash and dry room. Master bedroom over here. Empty. Thing is empty. I'm just nervous as hell now because now we gotta go to the new place, and you know how that is. Might take a week to get everything situated. Closet, big closet, empty. I wish this place was where my business was. I would have stayed here, but gotta go. Office. That's where the office was. Kiddos. Say hi. Kitchen. Living room. Yes. You want to say hi? Yeah. Say hi. You see yourself.
Hi.
Yeah. See yourself, bro. Say we moving.
I'm moving.
We moving. Got the guys out here moving. Garage, please. Chill out, homie. Got the guys moving. Yeah. Got my baby girl with me. You moving? Look at all the background. You moving? Yeah. I love you. My baby. Look at what you doing with that, Khalid. That's for girls, man. We ain't doing that Transformer stuff, boy. Got the benzos. About to take them. What's up with the guys? Made it to my new house.
Hey, you! It's time to recover them muscles. Get your hypey aminos at hypelife.com.
Go let y'all check it out. Got a bathroom right here. We debating if this is gonna be a guest room or my office. Wanted to show you guys before it got hectic in here. The movers come. This is a big old living room we got right here. It's the kitchen. We need to. It's the kitchen and cupboard right there. This be the only time you guys probably see it unless I do a cooking video. It's an extra room right here. We're gonna put a fridge, different stuff. Let's see, this garage, 2-car. I don't have 3-car garage anymore. Watch out, Kelly. You want to say hi to the people? Want to say hi, bro? Stove, microwave down there, fridge. We already got a good fridge, so we're gonna have 2 refrigerators. Let me see. We gotta do this manually?
Yes.
Vacuum right there. People can see in on us. It's okay. Staircase. Got Brooke looker going on.
Well, we're gonna block the view from the other side, so the neighbors are actually not gonna be able to see it.
Yeah, we gotta put up on those stairs. This is where the gym go. This is the Masters. Masters. Bathroom right here. One closet right here. Who taking what closet?
I'm gonna take the bigger one. You can have that small one. I'm taking this one.
Ooh, you taking this big one?
Yes.
My stuff fitting here. So here we go to washroom. Dang, they gotta bring the washer and dryer. Okay. Who room is this right here? Good. Bathroom. Oh, what's this? The guest room?
No, this is the Brooks room. The guest room's over here.
Battery about to go out. This is the guest room.
And it has its own.
Nice size. Oh yeah. Bathroom.
The next day.
Hey y'all on the internet. You ain't doing it till you get your portal, man.
Portable.
Portal
Huh?
to the universe.
Oh. Weird, man.
Oh, where
Come on.
the butt? Hold on.
Figure it out.
No, yeah, I saw it before.
Look at him. Don't do that.
Yeah. Come on, man. I figured Elon ain't go outsmart me, man.
Oh, look at it. 1708. That's the address, everybody.
System, man. Wheels, bro. I got wheels. This one, this fit in my car.
You can win.
You can win. You can win this right now. You enter the raffle. This is a 2022 Hellcat jailbreak. It's wrapped. Under the wrap is hell raising. You can customize this however you want it. Come July 2nd, when we announce the winner, you can come on the 3rd and pick it up, man. Chameleon, purple and blue wrap with the purple tint. We got the blue, powder blue emblems, purple wheels with the powder blue calipers. You got the lights on there. It's under the hood, 807 horsepower. Got look at that blood orange interior. So we got a sound system in there. Shout out to Kicker. We got the AWE exhaust. This will change somebody's life. There's 2 more winners. Second place, you get $2,000. Third place, $1,000. Make sure you enter the raffle. Click the links. They all over my social media. Get your tickets, baby.
Let's see what you got going on here.
You graduated from college, man.
I did. I was horrible at it, though. I was so bad at physics, dude.
Where it feel good at, man. So Helena was like, oh, this house was memories or whatever. Bad memories for me. Had my heart attack, I was here. Been as sick as I ever thought possible with my life here.
But what about all the cars and stuff?
Nah. The other house was way more better.
Oh, Big Ben?
Yeah, that's where we was having mad fun. Was popping when I was there. This house, nothing but, I mean, the neighborhood and the neighbors also. But I've been sick like 4 months straight the last 4 months here. Had the heart attack here. Crying babies nonstop here. Oh, man. Bye-bye. It's time to go and see how these rich people go treat me out here. You know what I mean? If they acting up, I don't know where I would go. San Diego or something, right down about an hour out. I don't know. But no, this should be good, hopefully. It's just out here where we at now, they real snobby. So, you know, I gotta talk like how I talk on the internet. Nice, soft, polite. Excuse me, moi. Is you want your escargot? Talk like maybe I act like I'm from France. Ooh, oui, mommy. Ooh, sweet, Orange County.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.